Hey everyone, Erica Cook here with Bayside Institute. I'm in Cambridge, Maryland, scouting out a really neat bus trip at the Harriet Tubman Visitor Center. More info on that coming soon. Let's get to April. So spring is coming. We've got a cupcake design class. We have a spring floral arranging class. That's going to be so much fun with Bethany Florist. We're continuing conversational Spanish with Senor Cam. And then coffee talk with a doc, which is later in the month. Definitely urge you to come to that. Grab a free cup of coffee. We are focusing on women's breast health for that session with Beebe Healthcare. And then we're also doing a behind-the-scene Bayside Banquets tour with Kelly Pitts. Really looking forward to that. It's going to be fun. Early in May, we have a journaling workshop I've put up on our calendar. And we're also doing a grief recovery session. We've experienced 40 losses in our life, and she's going to teach us how to best deal with those losses in a healthy way. So much info coming on BaysideInstitute.com. Make sure you check in with that. And as always, if you have any questions, email me.